Hi everyone! In my previous video I have shown you 3 Mill kits of Pirate Santas, but I also purchased this Angel Trilogy. And here we have Angelina, Serafina and Gabriel. When I first saw the 3 kits, I immediately fall in love with deep, rich colors of their dresses and also with interesting musical instruments which they are playing on. I decided to start with Angelina. I think that's because I really love these color combos of burgundy, deep red and turquoise blue colors. Size of my future ornament will be 3 and 5 by 5 inches or 48 by 72 stitches. And inside kit includes traditional set of materials. It has Mill glass beads, Mill 40 count brown perforated paper. Also we have DMC threads and we need to select them according to the color chart. Also we have 2 needles, one for beading and one for stitching, and also a piece of gold thread which is used for decorating and for creating strings for the lute. Just like for other Mill designs, mostly I will be stitching with cross stitch with 3 strands of thread, but also I will have to do some back stitches in 1 or 2 threads, and of course I will have to attach beads. My first step is always to sort all colors. And the only thing which I didn't like about this kit is that manufacturer hasn't indicated how many flosses of each colors are included. In my previous sets it was indicated if we have, for example, 2 whites or 2 black threads, so it will be a little easier to sort colors. But as I am quite familiar with DMC French threads, it was really easy to sort them. Also, I really love about Mill that they include generous amount of beads and threads in each of their kits, and sometimes you are able to stitch even the second similar ornament using the rest of the beads and threads. You only have to add new cut of perforated paper. Traditionally, I started to stitch from the left bottom corner, and maybe the slightly difficult parts of the designs are skirt of the dress and also top of the wings. In this part you have to be a little bit more attentive because they have intricate patterns and they also made with similar color like dark red and burgundy or white, cream and pale yellow for the wings. But otherwise they are very easy kits, and I think that spending just couple of evenings during watching your favorite TV series or some sport program, you will be able to stitch the whole ornament. Just like it is advised in the instructions for this kit, I always start with doing all cross stitches and then I will fill in the empty spaces with beads. You probably know that I have a soft spot for the Renaissance and for medieval traditions, so I was really happy to see that Mill designers included lute in this picture and in this design, because lute was one of the most important musical instruments. In this kit we have beads of 2 different sizes and of 5 colors, and they are divided into 2 bags. In the first one we have big red beds. They are similar to ceramic beds, very beautiful, and they designed for decorating her dress, and also petite Victorian gold, which are semi-transparent with golden middle part. And in the second bag we have petite cream, petite crystal honey, and petite tapestry teal. All are really beautiful, and I always love that Mill Hill designers includes in each design bits of different quality. Sometimes they are matte, sometimes they are glassy, some are semi-transparent. So in the end, everything shining absolutely beautiful and very festive. When you attach bigger beads like red ones here, you have to use half cross stitch. But when you attach petite beads, you have to use full cross, so it's more time consuming. And I think that the most time consuming part were her wings. You can see that on her wings there are a huge amount of beads, so I spent some time for attaching them. But I think that she looks really beautiful. Maybe I'm not fully satisfied only with her face. On the last step, I have to use my golden craning thread to add some details to her halo and to the lute. After I will finish my Angelina, I plan to switch back to my Caribbean Santas because I thought that it will be possible to stitch angels even after Christmas time. And if you will continue to stitch Santas, it will be more strange. So, Santas first and angels second. I plan to add loop for the hanging and also to back ornaments only after I stitch all 6 designs. And that's my final result. I'm really happy that I decided to purchase this set and to add Angel Trilogy to my growing collection of handmade Christmas ornaments. Now let me show you remind materials. We have beads in 2 bags and also plenty of threads, so don't be afraid, you will be able to stitch it, I think even 2 times. Really beautiful color combo of this turquoise blue and deep red. I definitely will be using it also in my coloring. I thank you for watching and I will see you next time with one of my next Christmas projects.